It's a 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. Leave no child, nor boat, nor trailer behind in this Pathfinder thanks to its comfortable, premium seating for 7 and up to 6,000 pounds of towing capability. The imposing stature of this Pathfinder includes its signature character lines, while its strategically located deflectors and spoilers improve the aerodynamic performance. This SUV offers a fuel-efficient drivetrain and a suite of safety features, including hill start assist and vehicle dynamic control with traction control system. Elevate your next adventure with the added benefit of a touchscreen color display, Nissan Connect, RCA auxiliary video input jack, and tri-zone climate control. Style, space, and the capabilities that matter most to your on-the-go family. Come in for a test drive.
At Jenkins Nissan, honesty is our policy. We're conveniently located at 4401 State Route 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.